Hey, welcome back to another Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. I'm Aaron, and we had a snowstorm. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Well, today we're recording this video out in Siberia. Can you tell? We got hammered with a snowstorm last night. So with that said, the girls are all waiting for me. Every animal, I guarantee, is waiting for me right now. We gotta clear snow, we gotta bed them, we gotta clear more snow, we gotta feed them, we gotta move feeders, we gotta check the waterers. We need to do a little bit of everything, because when weather gets like this, you gotta be on your A game. Good thing Aaron had lots of coffee this morning. Woo! Let's go get her done! Well, we got it. We got hit. We got hit, people. We got hit with a big storm. And time to dig out. I had to throw some gasolina in the old, I got the old mule with the cab. Holy, I can barely drive though. I might need to get the other one because there's so much snow here. It's crazy. We got spanked last night. It's gonna be a long day here at the ranch. I got lots of snow to clear, lots of bedding to do, lots of feeding up. It's just, I think Dad's gonna try to make his way in, but he has to dig out of his driveway, out of Mom and his driveway. So it is cold too. Minus 35, minus 36 with the wind chill this morning. So I checked that water. The little water is good. We gotta hammer through this drift. It's gonna get dicey here. Was there any doubt in my mind? Nuh-uh. The old girl pushed through. Let's check this water. I hope, oh, it looks good. Water looks good, so nice and toasty. Perfect. We had a north wind, and with that north wind, we have a good wind block, but it still likes to make this water nice and cold. I'm gonna clean her out a little bit. I'm gonna activate the pump, and we're gonna be out of here onto their next check. Perfect, I'm stuck. Lock the diff here. Let's see if we can get out of here. Damn it. Buried. Haha, told you I'd get out. It's deep. Check this water, should be good. I glanced at it, but I didn't walk right up. I gotta shovel this away after. Yeah, this old Richie water never gives me problems, knock on wood. I gotta quit saying that. I got spanked last time I said that. Let's get home. Get the tractor. Enough of this playing around. I checked everything. Everything seems pretty good. Had her plugged in for about 45 minutes. She started pretty good. Not bad. Frosty, look at all this snow. You look excited. Yeah, high five, buddy. Woo! Yeah. At least he likes the snow. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Threaded the needle. Put my bale spear on our picnic table without the wife noticing. No damage. She can't be mad. She won't even notice. I'll have it back on before nightfall. Got the grapple hooked up. It's operational. I had to change that hydraulic end on the end there. There was a I put a different one on there in the summer because it's leaking, so I put a 90-degree elbow on it because that's all I had in the shop. I think I was like cutting hay and it started leaking real bad, so I put it back in on there, the old one, because I got it plugged in, so it's not leaking now. But I gotta buy a new one from the parts store the next day or so. But anyways, got that going. Let's get some snow moved. Let's get those cows looked after. Man down. Well, just about done snow removal in this yard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab an oats bale and a nice field bale. I'm going to cut the twines off the field bale. I'm going to throw the straw bale on my rear end forks. And I'm not going to cut the twines on the straw bale, obviously, it'll fall apart. So I'm going to go out there, I'm going to put the field bale in, probably just in a feeder or on the ground. I'm going to clear a strip or two with the bucket. And I'm going to roll it out. So, so I can then go grab the straw bale and start clearing an area to bed them down in for so they can lay down. I'm sure they didn't lay down all night because there's nothing to lay down on. Whatever I put out there yesterday blew in pretty quick. It was kind of mild yesterday. It was soft snow, and then the wind picked up, and then the snow really started kicking around. And you know what? By nighttime it was almost a full-out blizzard. So with that said, I'm sure the girls are waiting for me already. I guarantee you they're at the fence saying like, where the heck is that guy? Get onto the bedding and then maybe grab another bale. So box up there looks like it's pretty decent because well, the wind blocked his job, I guess. I think I'm gonna go grab them another bale as well and roll it out. I think we're gonna feed up good tomorrow, like fill their feeders, but for today we'll give them 2 big bales. getting there. Almost done this bedding. So yeah, this should be enough area for all the girls to sit. Well, looks like they're bedded pretty good. Just gonna fish out one little one in the front of the that little piece in front of the tractor, and then I'll be able to rest tonight, knowing my girls are resting nice and warm on dry straw. So, oh well, hey, a little bit of physical labor is good for a guy, especially me. Otherwise, I'll look like Jabba the Hutt sitting in the tractor. So, no, a little bit of work, a little bit of extra effort, but it's well worth it because they're going to definitely benefit from this. Well, right here, I'm just I don't have to do this, but I like doing this when there's lumpy and everything. I'm just backblading a path all the way from the water bowl to where I'm feeding them, so they can go get water and not have all those lumps and everything. So it's just like making them a groomed path almost. And I usually do that. I do this only when we have a big snowstorm like this, but it makes it a lot easier on the girls. I really don't need to do this, but I like doing it. I might do from the other direction too, and call it a day back here. At least this main herd will be, they're all bedded up, they're fed up. So I just unrolled the second bale for them. They already ate the first bale. So, well, this is gonna make a pristine snowmobile trail. I'm gonna go out to the bush and do that right away. Hopefully I get it done before dark. Yeah, this is all I mean. This is gonna harden up nice. Now they can just hightail her down the highway to the water. Hey ladies! Yeah. This will keep them till the morning, and in the morning I guess I'll head out here and we're gonna move their feeders to this side and we're gonna fill them up. So, but at least we're gonna make them comfortable for tonight and tomorrow morning. So good day so far. Well, the girls are fed up, snow is cleared out. I made the highway to their to their water. They are bedded up. I moved all their feeders from the open, moved those rougher bales for them to munch on during the night, and then I'm going to come back tomorrow and fill them up with better hay. They're bedded and comfy. With the sun going down, this is Aaron signing off. I'll see you next weekend with an all new farm video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next weekend. Bye for now.